Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. June 24, 32 variant question number 4. Topic is a differentiation. So you can see here product formula when two functions multiply, u copy v dash, v copy u dash. This rule we have to implement here and then implement here. So get ready. Before I start, I just tell you what is a derivative of y. So it becomes dy over dx. But when we differentiate y square, so 2 comes down, power become 1 into dy over dx. So don't miss this one. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, I'm applying on this. So y copy and derivative of e to power 2x. Okay, let me write first like this, plus e to power 2x copy into derivative of y in the bracket. So let's try to complete it here. So what is e to power 2x derivative? First copy into 2. And what about y derivative is dy over dx. Now this is done. This is done. Now let's try the second part. So what about second? Y square copy and derivative of e to power x plus e to power copy and derivative of the second part. E is equal to 0 because 6 derivative is 0. So what about this one? So e to power x copy into 1 because power of x is 1. And what about y square? So 2 comes down and power 1 less into dy over dx. So many times student I observe as a teacher, they miss this dy over dx. So now how many dy over dx? We have a 2. So I will take common out and I got a e to power 2x and plus these two values. I mean 2x, 2 e to power x into y. Repeat my words. So this thing comes from here and this comes from here. Okay, I will take common out and dy over dx is outside. And these two values I will bring on the right hand side. So when this goes there, it's turned to be negative 2y e to power 2x. When it goes on the other side, it becomes negative y square into e to power x. Okay, afterwards, what is asking for? So y, the gradient, when y is 1. So I mean, I have to make a dy over dx subject. So this will go completely there and negative 2y e to power 2x minus y square e to power x divided by what? This completely. So I'm writing e to power 2x plus 2 e to power x into y. So the main point is what? So whenever we find a gradient, we have to plug in not y only, we'll plug in x as well. But do you know what is x? We don't know. So plug in y1 in the top equation. So I'm going to apply in, wait a minute, please. Just a minute. So I'm going to apply it here. So when y is 1, so I plug in y1 each value. So 1 into e to power 2x plus 1 square is 1, e to power x is equal to 6. So how to deal with this? So e to power 2x plus e to power x minus 6 is equal to 0. So I have to find x value. There's a little bit here, a little bit lengthy. Anyway, let's try to do it. So what I can say here, so I can say let e to power x is equal to k. So this is a k and this become k square. So I can say k to power 2 plus k and minus 6 is equal to 0. So 6, 1 is 6. Factorization, I'm trying 3 to the 6. So k common from here, I got a k common, k plus 3 and negative 2 common, I got a k plus 3. So I believe you're understanding k plus 3 and k minus 2 is equal to 0. So you have two answers. K is negative 3 and k is equals to positive 2. So I will plug in both values back in equation here. So get the x value. So e to power x equal to negative 3, e to power x is equal to positive 2. Now, how to bring x down? We take a log of both sides. So here log okay, but here log is not okay. Why? Because log of negative number is impossible. So it's gone. So what about this? Log of e to power x is equal to log of 2. And x comes down. I got ln e. And ln e is 1. ln e is 1. So basically x is equal to ln 2. So make sure, students, so I hope so you understood well. I have a two values, x value is 1 and y value is ln 2. So I'm going to plug in x is equal to ln 2 and y value is 1. Will give us a gradient. So let's start. So m is equals to, so this 1 goes there, I get a negative 2, 1's a 2. When I'm plugging is this value here, so e2 times 2 log of 2. So because this goes there, and 1 to power square is again 1, I'm not writing, and e to power, it goes there. ln this one, I think clear. So what about denominator? Same story here, I'm getting e to power 2 ln 2. And what about this here? So 2 and e to power ln 2. But this one goes, no need to write 1. Before I start, I just tell you one thing. You can check in calculator, students. So as ln e to power 6, you can check in calculator. It will give you 6. Basically, 6 goes down and ln is once over. But if e to power ln 6 comes, then what is answer? Again 6. It means they will cancel out. And this is my answer. So it means if e to power ln k ln 2, they will cancel out and we get a 2. We can check in calculator. So e to power ln 5. What is answer? 5. But it is only possible there's no number before logarithm. But here we have a number before logarithm. Okay, so how to deal with that? So first of all, 2 will go in the power. So 2 will go in the power. Okay. So when 2 is going the power, what happens? E ln 4. And here, no change. And what about denominator? E to power ln 4. And this is same as it is. I believe you people understanding. So what is this answer? This will cancel out. Okay, I show you this cancel out, this cancel, this cancel, this cancel. And I am getting this 4 left from here and negative 8. So negative 2 times 2, 4. And here I get only 2. And I believe you got a point. From here I get a 4. And from here I got 2. So negative 8 and negative 2, I got a negative 10. And here I got a 6. So wait a minute, let me check once again. So this is a 10 to be. Wait a minute, please. I bring in this whole into this one down. So 1 minute. Let me check once again. This is a not 2 only. This is a 2 also come from here. So that is why 2 2s are 4. So I'm getting here 4 and 4 plus 4, 8. So I think idea is very clear. And final answer is turned to be 2 5s are and 2 4s are. So I got a gradient. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I believe the point is very clear and question is completely over.